Welcome back here on my channel. Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Suzuki Jimny gift pack from Majorette. I got this set for a very good price, 10 euros including shipping. That is very fair in my opinion. I also got another pack, by the way, from Majorette, this one here. This vintage rusty gift pack, and this one was only 7 euros including shipping, believe it or not, but that's another story. So back to the Jimnys. So first of all, I wanted to keep those models in the packaging, but as you can see, the packaging was damaged when it arrived, so I decided to take them out, and why not take a quick video. So, you know, I'm a huge fan of the Suzuki Jimny. It's just a cute looking vehicle. I like the boxy design. You know, some might say it does look a little bit like a, you know, like a tiny G-Class, G-Wagon, maybe. But, you know, I like it. So, basically, of course, all of these 5 models are the same casting, but different styling. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, first of all of these come with a suspension, like all Majorette cars do. And well, one thing is a little bit unfortunate, and that is I think most of these gift packs from Majorette have cars or models with opening parts. But as you can see, this is kind of a mainline or basic version, and it doesn't have any opening doors, or hood doesn't open, and so on. The only thing you can do is take the roof off, and you can take the roof off every of these 5 models. Well, I think that's not so spectacular. Some opening doors or something would have been better, but that's the way it is. So let's take a quick look. So this one comes in blue, a nice dark and glossy blue, with a Rhino here on the door, saying Jimny, and yeah, kind of a, maybe you can call it 1990s deco here on the side. We have lensed headlights that are, I guess, part of this inner plastic piece, and you can see we have tinted, dark tinted windows, so we have also tinted headlights. Unfortunately, this one, as you can see here on the rear window, comes with a little scratch. Yeah, not so cool. This is the back, a spare tire saying Suzuki and Jimny on the right side. Yeah, plastic wheels for sure. These have a green ring on them. Yeah, it's a nice version. So into the parking lot. Now let's go on with this one here. Like a kind of a sand color, I would call it, saying Rome Overlanding here on the side. Sorry. Now we have silver rims, also lensed headlights for sure. This one doesn't have any tinted windows, and it's coming with a roof piece. Some, don't know what that is, a jerry can or something, and it's kind of a barrel. And once again, important here, you can take off the roof piece, but be careful. You can't, this is not a separate piece. As you can see, these roof accessories are attached to the roof, so don't try to pull them off. And this one, unfortunately, also has a little scratchy on the window. Yeah. But it's okay, got it for a fair price. So this is the second version, also looking very cool. Now, this one here, Some of you might think you've seen this one before. I'll tell you why. Because there is another version of this one. So this one here is, yeah, let's call it the mainline version of the Jimny that you can get in a single pack from Majorette. Yeah, but I mean it's the same color. But as you can see, they are different. The one from the gift pack is saying, "I love my Jimny" here on the side, and we have this black stripe here. Yeah, so that is the main difference. I would say the rest is exactly the same. So also into parking position, and now we get to this one, and I think this is my favorite version of this pack. Like a beach patrol car, lifeguards or something. Vehicle service and development, Cabana. I mean, you can really imagine this thing driving around somewhere on the beach with this surfboard here on top. I think it looks quite good. I also love the color combination white and this red and blue deco on the side. It's looking good. And I also do like the rims. I think they do look better than these ones here. So now let's get to the last one. This one in a camouflage livery, also looking very good. A little bit more aggressive. And I think this one really does look a little bit like a G-Wagon because of its deco, in my opinion. You also got camouflage on the back. Yeah. Let's take a look. Does the base say which scale it is? As you can see here, it's 1/53rd scale. So here they are, all 5 Jimnys from the Suzuki Jimny gift pack. That's it for today. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.